Hi, I'm Nige.
I'm Adele, and this is Archie.
Welcome to our Benivan Adventures. Hello, and welcome to episode 7 of our Northumberland 250 road trip. We start this video with a visit to Amble, so come along with us and enjoy the views. You can take boat trips from Amble to get close to Coquette Island to see the puffins and other rare breeds. Although today it looks as if it was quite a choppy crossing. Amble Harbour village has a collection of independent stores selling produce, crafts and fish and chips. We booked in to the Old Boathouse restaurant, which is renowned for its seafood. We had a smashing meal at the Old Boathouse restaurant. I started with local Lindisfarne oysters. Adele had the biggest bowl of langoustines I've ever seen. The food was so good, I totally forgot to take any video. So here's a few pictures of what we ate. However, in Amble, we would certainly recommend the Old Boathouse seafood restaurant. Amble also has one of Northumberland County Council's Park for Night areas, where you can book online for a space on the council car park. There are no services, but it is literally a 5-minute walk into Amble. After that wonderful meal last night, we're back on the road, and today we're visiting the National Trust property of Craigside, somewhere both of us have been looking forward to visit for some time. Craigside is a Victorian country house near the town of Rothbury in Northumberland. It was the home of William Armstrong, an industrial magnate, scientist and philanthropist, and the inventor of the hydraulic crane. Craigside was the first house in the world to be lit by using hydroelectric power. Dogs are welcomed throughout Craigside, but not within the house. So Archie and I sat while Adele had a wander around. The house is full of Armstrong's inventions. There's a water-powered laundry, an early version of a dishwasher, and a hydraulic dumbwaiter. It also has its very own steam room and sauna.
Passed away, the trees would be this high. And yes, and so they helped to plant the trees. So when you came across today, did you come across the wall? Yes. Yes. So that's how it is. Yes.
I'm not smiling at him.
It was a great day out at Craigside and well worth a visit. Today we're looking for something a little bit older. The Roman settlement at Corbridge. Corbridge was founded well before Hadrian had started to build the wall. It developed into the most northerly town of the Roman Empire. The museum at Corbridge showcases an internationally important collection of site finds, which brings the town and its people to life. The Corbridge Hoard is a Roman time capsule buried in the 2nd century AD. It includes amazingly well-preserved items from a Roman workshop, including armour and a Roman soldier's personal possessions. Outside the museum, you can step where Roman feet once walked. Imagine picking up your supplies from the granaries. You can walk down the once bustling Roman High Street, which runs from east to west through the town. This street once ran all the way to Carlisle, forming part of the Roman road known as Staingate. Okay, where are we going?
Apparently this stops the village from flooding, this does.
Oh right. Well
We've
done Corbridge of old 2,000 years ago.
A long time.
So we're going
that
to
was
do.
even older than you.
How rude. So we're going to do Corbridge of New.
Ish.
Oh, no. I don't think so. Going to somebody's back garden.
We're going for tea.
Now it comes out on the street here.
Hello. Oh, got all the corners. So I got £30 worth.
When I said get a selection, I meant a couple.
No, you didn't. A selection is not
boxes.
two. A selection is not two, Nigel.
Yeah.
Well. Oh God, my cake's that I like the hen. Chicken.
You may have seen earlier that we called into the lovely village of Corbridge. Now we went to have a look at the Roman ruins, but Adele found a cake shop, a patisserie right in the middle of town, and I said foolishly, go and choose some cakes. So what did she do?
You said buy a selection of cakes. So I did.
I didn't mean 2 boxes of cakes.
No, but you said a selection.
Which means 1 each.
No, a selection is more than 1 each.
So what have we got then? Let's
Dun, 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 dun.
Let's have a look. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those.
I'm going to swear. Bloody hell, look at those.
Look at those. Look at the cherry on that one. Oh my gosh. Oh,
But
look at
that
those.
also means
There's another box.
there's another box. It's like creep. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. A cookie. Look at that for a cookie.
Goodness me.
Oh, guys.
Okay, it's cake time.
Yep.
We found some really smashing park-ups on our Northumberland 250 tour, and this one was no exception. It's a camper approved air at Longhorsey, overlooking fishing lakes. We had a wonderful, peaceful night here, and again, if you're in the area, please give it a visit. Set beside the river in a wooded section of Derwent Water is Blanchland, one of the final stops on our Northumberland 250 road trip. It was built from the stones of Blanchland Abbey in 1165 and seemingly hasn't changed since. This postcard perfect Honeystone village has the rightful reputation as one of the prettiest villages in the north of England.
Oh, the cat's in the shop.
Well, we've gone and done it. The Northumberland 250 tour is at an end. We started here at Bolbeck Manor 2 weeks ago. We took a clockwise direction around the tour. We went through moors, forests, right up to the northerly point at Berwick-upon-Tweed, and then back down the coastal side. We've had a brilliant time, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been lovely.
We've experienced 2,000 years of history, from the Romans through Hadrian's Wall. We've seen brilliant castles, beaches, and we've met some really lovely people. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with us. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you don't already do so. And until the next time, bye for now.
Bye.
If you enjoyed our video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell for our next Benivan adventure. If you'd like to follow us on our travels, we're on Facebook. We're also on Instagram, and you can read our van life diaries on Blogger. Thank you for supporting our channel, and we hope to see you next time. Bye for now.